Hey, good afternoon, guys. So it's mid-London session. Let's recap what's going on in our positions. I'm still holding GBP CHF, Euro GBP. I already cut this position. It's too choppy to hold. AUD USD. I closed my position here, and it looks like we are again going towards the take profit. This rejection was significant from the take profit level, so I decided to close my position, and there was uh, no reason to hold more downside. This low was cleared and price was already rejecting from a significant Fibonacci level. If we drop it here, then price was rejecting from 38.2. So that's why I decided to close my position, and I'm still in NZD and NZD is again going into good profits. I'm gonna trail my stop at break even after if price managed to reach around this kind of level. So Euro JPY, I have my limit orders here because this is where we are getting 1:3. If we target for this extension, and this area is also lining up with this high, so this looks like a really good, decent high probability trade setup in Euro JPY. Let's see how it unfolds. Gold is triggered, and I was planning for a long, but this is actually against my system because I'm not supposed to place orders inside the zone, but I'm still doing it, and I'm not taking this trade in my small accounts because the stop loss is decently big. I'm just taking it in my funded accounts. So yeah, let's see what's going on in Dixie. Dixie is trying to push higher, possibly going towards this high, so it's possible that we're going to see some more downside moves in Euro USD. This is a really significant zone in Euro USD, but high time frames are not lining up, so I'm not looking for any longs here. GBP USD, we can look for longs here if we find any good rejection from this level, because in monthly time frame we have a bullish structure overall, and we're currently into a bullish in range. So it's possible that we're going to see some continuation towards upside. It's only 4 days left for this monthly candle to close, so let's see how it unfolds. We already cleared the previous weekly high and right now dropping towards downside. This looks like a really good liquidity area, so it's also possible that we're going to see some downside move. So GBPSD is a little confusing for me right now. Let's see if we find any long setup, then we will definitely try to get involved into the trade. This is not a decent breakout structure because this is not a candle closure one, it's just a wick. There is nothing in AUD USD right now. NZD USD, a skip. USD CHF, I'm still waiting for a deeper correction. Then I can look for longs. But if we just look what's going on in daily time frame, we're currently into a zone where price can give us some decent rejection towards downside. So yeah, I'm gonna monitor USD CHF, but I'm still waiting for a deeper correction downside. USD JPY price corrected back lower, and right now we're again thrusting towards upside. There is no clean setup yet. Gold, I'm in this trade right now in my funded accounts. GBP JPY, I'm still looking for longs here. Hopefully EJ will trigger our position based on the candle bias. It's highly possible that the previous 4 hour candle low will get cleared, and if that happens, then our position will also get triggered. AUD CAD, there is nothing. Uh, okay, there is nothing in. Okay, there was internet issue, I think. There is nothing in Euro AUD. I'm also skipping Euro NZD. I'm gonna wait for a good rejection from this level, but I don't think it's gonna be a really good setup at all. Euro CHF, nothing. Skip. Okay, looks like this level is playing out, but the last candle was not that significant. If we drop our GAN box on this candle, then we can see this is not closing below 50%, so it was not a valid candle to actually enter. I'm waiting for another strong rejection downside, then I can look for shorts here in AUD I'm already in this NZD CAD position. There is nothing in NZD JPY. NZD CHF is possibly gonna show us some good rejection from this level, so I'm definitely gonna monitor it. I'm waiting for a little more downside correction in Euro CAD, then I can look for longs if I find any good rejection from this level. CAD JPY, okay, looks like this setup is failing. I was looking for shorts last session in this one, maybe from this kind of levels. Yep, let's see. Yep, it failed to go towards take profit, but it's a break-even trade for me. Okay, I'm not in, but it is not a take profit, but it's a break-even one. BTC USD is falling, so there is nothing new. The summary is I'm just waiting for Euro JPY position to get triggered. Let's see how gold unfolds. So yeah, that's it from my side. See you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day.